Mabuhay, everyone. Welcome, mabuhay, mabuhay to our channel.
Hold on tight. Nakatanggap tayo ng super magandang balita. Good morning, babies. Ay, hindi na pala good morning. It's good afternoon.
Hello. Hello.
She wants your lollipop, ate. That's massive, anak.
I know. I like it.
You like it?
I was playing this before.
Is that the one we bought from the shop?
Yeah.
No, it's on my book.
Oh, no, Daddy bought that one. I couldn't find the one that we bought.
Yeah. But it's
Maybe
okay.
Cruella got it.
I think so.
Ah.
No,
Hello?
Mommy, no. Cruella likes hot. He likes cold.
She likes cold?
Yeah, he always likes. He likes Melbourne because it's cold.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Is that why she's not here?
Yeah, he doesn't like hot. He likes cold. He likes cold.
Silini.
My finger poo. My finger poo.
Did she do a poo?
Now.
Yeah, babe. Oh, yes! Did you go poo? Oh my goodness, Silini. Oh my goodness, Silini.
Oh, we did it! Oh. He's putting his finger in my eye.
She loves your hair. She loves you.
My
Mhm.
thing like my nose.
So, welcome back sa channel natin, people. Today is Saturday. And, nandito si Daddy Mike sa bahay. Oh, diba? Diba, na-miss natin si Daddy Mike sa, during weekdays kasi he's working. So, he finished his first week of work. And, tinanong ko siya kagabi how it went. And sabi niya, okay lang naman daw. Everything is well sa work niya. So, I'm very happy to hear that. Nakapagbihis tayo ngayon because we're going to see the family again. Again. But we have to change the bum first because she poo. Ow! Anak ko, don't pull mama's hair, no. You love pulling, don't you? So we're going to see the family, guys. We're gonna have our karaoke daw, tsaka food kina Tita Christine, and we're going to meet there at 2:30 in the afternoon. So that's why nakapagbihis na kami and it's very naka pa rin yung light natin, guys, kasi alam niyo ba, it looks very maambon sa labas. It has been for the last 2 days, I think. Kahapon hindi kami nakapag-vlog kahapon eh. Pero that's okay, it's still warm naman, guys. That's fine. Wala nga lang si Haring Araw. Yesterday, actually, I had a very good news. So, hindi nga ako nakapag-vlog kahapon. So, hindi ko na-share sa inyo. Nakatanggap tayo ng super magandang balita. And super happy about it. So, remember, nung nandun pa kami sa Melbourne, diba? Kinausap ko yung manager ko, tsaka yung aking boss, na magmo-move na nga kami dito sa Brisbane. So, my office is in Melbourne. However, meron naman silang dito, opisina dito sa sa Brisbane. But yung sinabi ko sa kanila kasi nga I'm taking the whole 12 months off na maternity leave. So, I'm not going back until July this year. So, sabi ko sa kanila na pagkabalik ko July, around June, July, pag nag-work ako, I can only do 2 days a week working from home. So, I'm not going to the office, and kasi, tingnan nyo naman, meron tayong bulilit. I wanna look after the kids, but at the same time, guys, it's really good that, I'm still employed. Alam niyo yun? As much as, you know, I would love just to stay at home and look after the kids. At the same time, maganda pa rin yung kahit part-time lang, ay meron pa rin tayong trabaho, diba? And then, last time I spoke to them, last year, December, sabi nila na, you know, we'll get back to you, we'll see, sabi ng manager ko, kakausapin daw niya yung pinaka-taas-taasang, ano, ranggo sa kumpanya. And then, yeah, she came back to me. She called me yesterday and I was very surprised kasi out of nowhere lang ba. Kasi hindi na ako naghintay na ng tawag very soon kasi July pa naman ako magbalik ng work. So, sabi nila, we'll talk about it again when you're nearly due to come back to work. So, I was very surprised nung natanggap ko yung tawag kahapon. And then, sabi ng manager ko na obviously, she spoke to the, yung mga, ng may-ari, ng kumpanya. And then, sabi niya, but yeah, it doesn't really, kasi yung, yung manager ko, talagang, siya yung masusunod kasi siya yung nag-handle sa amin, diba? Sabi niya, kahit daw ano pang sabihin nila ng ibang, ng kumpanya, she really wants me back. So, oh, my heart. Like, my heart was singing, guys, yesterday nung narinig ko yun from her. Kasi, alam niyo yung bang feeling na wanted ka. Yung you don't have to, like, pagdutdutan yung sarili mo sa kumpanya. They want you to come back and they would do anything para lang parang to work around you. Kasi, di ba, hindi basta-basta ngayon na mag-apply ka and then sabihin mo na, oh, I wanna work 2 days only and then work from home kasi may mga kids ako, diba? So, you have to earn it. And I think I did earn the trust kasi alam naman nila na I really do work and you know, I always give my very best and quality talaga na work and yeah, para sa kumpanya. So, she said that she would love me to, you know, come back, obviously, and if it means that's only 2 days a week and working from home, they're happy to accommodate it. So, it's super good, guys. It's seriously, I can't express my happiness nung narinig ko yun kasi sabi ko nga sa kanya na, you know, it's parang Christmas gift for this year, early Christmas gift for this year or late Christmas gift from, you know, last year. But yeah, so sabi niya, sabi pa nga niya sa akin, guys, let me know if ever na gusto mong mag-start earlier. You can always talk to me. But for me, guys, I'll wait until, you know, my 12 months is finished until I'll come back to work again. So yeah, I don't need to go to the office. I'll just have to set up my workstation sa bahay. Ang pinaka-the best pa doon, guys, is that bibigyan daw nila ako ng task na kung saan magiging flexible yung times ko. So, for example, kasi nga 'di ba alam nila na meron akong mga kids. So, during the day baka may mga oras na hindi ko masyadong maano yung work ko. So, they will get me a task na I can also cover or parang magawa ko yung iba during the night. So, pag hindi ko nagawa during daytime, I can always do it during the night. So, diba? Tingnan nyo kung gaano sila kabait talaga sa akin, guys. Super blessed talaga ako pagdating sa work ko, guys. At the same time, be with the kids. Be with Ate Paris. If Ate Paris is not at school. But definitely with baby Celine until she's big enough. Yeah? Mama loves you, my love. Mama loves you very much. Do you love Mama? Do you love Mama? Anyways, bihisan ko na to siya, guys. Kasi, yung aking mga pinsan ay naghihintay na doon kasi very excited na sila sa karaoke. Karaoke pa more. And then, meron na akong ang tawag dito, may mouth ulcer pa ako, guys. Sabi ko, agay, paano na to ngayon? Ang kainan at saka yung kantahan, masakit magsalita kasi na yung dila ko. Anyways, we'll see you again later, tita and tito. See you later! Very sleepy yan siya, guys. Kaya tingnan nyo. Straight lang, oh. Straight face. Good job drinking water, honey.
Drinking a lot.
Daddy thought you can't. Daddy's wrong.
Daddy's always wrong when it comes to parrots. That's because she said throw it out.
Well done.
Yeah, I just finished it.
Say hi, Daddy. You haven't said hi to the vlog.
Mabuhay, everyone. Welcome, mabuhay to our channel.
Look, Daddy.
Oh my God, channel.
That's just...
Yeah.
Mabuhay
Thank
to
you,
our
Daddy, for cleaning.
Yeah, you're welcome. So good.
Naglinis si Daddy, guys, while I was getting ready.
So good.
I'm used to it.
Gotta
Come on,
work,
let's go.
clean the house and cook the dinners.
Yes, well done, Daddy. You're the best.
Daddy
In
is
the
the best.
Come on, Ate Paris. Let us go. We have to go catch the taxi. Honey. Honey, girl. Silly. Are we taking the carrier, bub? Nasha. Nasha.
What do you reckon? I don't reckon.
Yeah, we're not really going anywhere else.
Daddy.
Celine! Tingnan niyo ang
I
kanyang...
will say something.
Alam niyo bang merong ano si Celine, guys? Kaya birthmark. Tingnan niyo, may pula sa kanyang likuran ng kanyang ulo.
Yeah.
Show me.
Way.
Wow!
Very
We're
good.
loving the other leg.
Paris.
Look,
You're so good.
look at that.
Have a look at ate. Have a look at ate, nak. Very sleepy na rin to siya, guys. Make her laugh, nak. Stars don't fail to make Paris a Celine laugh. Honey, come on, nak. She's smiling na.
Wow. Celine likes it.
And Paris loves it too pag tumatawa si Celine. Tingnan niyo ang kanyang Ay, naglaway-laway. Come on, let's go.
A few moments later.
Balik, balik, balik.
Oh, Leon's there. Look, Leon's there, Leon.
Hi, how you doing? Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good, thanks.
How are you?
Oh, oh my goodness.
Give it like a couple of minutes. She'll be right.
Selena, diretso sa nanay. Hello, how are you? I'm Jovi. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Hello, everyone. Nice to meet you.
Hello. This is Paris.
Yeah, I've met her before. Like,
Yeah, when Joy
play with
running
cats and play
here.
piano and stuff.
Ah, that time. Yeah. Ah, cool. Oh, that's Celine. I can hear them. The little one. Yeah, I have another one.
Well, you have another one.
Pizza is here. Pizza from Melbourne. It took 2 hours.
I already have my one beer for the day.
Why not? Why
At the
not double?
most. I just if I'm gonna drink, I'll either have one.
Trying to clean up her.
Or I'm gonna have
Trying to
lots.
clean up
Yeah,
Paris's
going
mess.
out somewhere.
But you can put it on the table. Come help me back here.
Yeah,
Can you help me?
give me that the serviette.
Nak, nak, drink you ko, nak, hot chocolate, nak. Oh, Tito Anton made that for you.
Yeah.
I'm weird with beer. Not weird. I'm like really plain with beer. Like lager. And that's it. Like, I don't like all of the boutique beers. I hate boutique beers.
We have the Australia is Barcelona.
Do you want to try it?
You wanna try it?
Yeah. You gotta talk me into it, Andrew.
Why not?
Dad, you said that is right.
Fresh from Barcelona.
Then they have Jovies in there.
Is it like?
Kaukulit ko na. Kauna ko dake.
I can see fix it.
I think it is.
Oh yeah, I can see.
Fix
Okay.
it.
No, and you tell Tito Anthony how. Look, sure, Tito and Tito wants to see you drink this hot chocolate that Tito Anthony made you. Yeah. Hi. Our team, our baby. Our other babies.
I don't like ale or I don't know, like beer flavored beers and stuff like this.
She's very comfortable.
Like ciders and stuff like
My other
like
cousins,
Samuel.
guys, wala, may ginagawa pa
I
sila
could
mamaya
drink
pupunta sila
a lot of
dito.
them.
Yeah. Okay.
Sweet.
That's what-
Very-
that was the-
Tito Anthony, have a look at Paris.
Oh, look at Paris. Wow.
What's
Paris,
this?
you wanna come to
Yes.
my
Good
This is like.
You can sit next to your dad.
Do you call him Anani?
Yeah.
That's why I was like,
Paris.
is this Joyce when you sent that chat on Facebook? I said like, is that like autocorrect or?
Like you ask, I want this.
She said, what's Anani?
Right?
No, that's her nickname.
Yes.
So yes, honey.
So that's it.
Okay, that's fine.
Lola, Lolo happy.
Yeah,
Okay.
you sit now.
Wow, good
Yeah,
girl.
good girl.
Luna.
Girl.
Paris, you can sit here. Sit next to your
Oh,
dad.
she's finishing it too.
Look, Marshall. Yay, Marshall.
Big muscles.
You
Wow.
can sit in between.
Like that. Hey,
Sit
what's
in
happening,
between
Leon?
Now she can sit next to.
Between you guys, if you want.
Leon, get
No, she
up.
can sit here. That's fine. Yeah.
What do you want to drink?
Have a seat.
You like it, Daddy?
Yeah. Yeah, because it's lager. It's my favorite.
What's that? Australia. Australia?
Australia.
Estrellas Dorada.
Australia.
No, it's Spanish Barcelona.
Okay. Barcelona.
Barca.
Like it, Paris? What do you say to Tito Anton?
You're welcome.
Thank you. She loved it. She finished it, see?
And we had this Aussie guy over with his fellow wife, and he was talking about Catherine Bernardo, and he was like, he was really into her.
Oh yeah.
And he was like, she's hot, eh? And I'm like, on the order, so if you're gonna get angry and don't like what you got, blame her.
Nah, I'm happy with
This is my favorite. Hawaiian.
You said don't get this one, but I said you're gonna like this one.
Yeah.
Just got a
She
bit
said
sit, mate.
pineapple, no pineapple.
What's this one?
You disappointed?
No,
What's this one?
Sorry, Leon.
Meat lover, supreme, and
You don't post.
Hawaiian.
Oh,
good choice.
The three most
No.
common popular pizzas.
hala daw.
Get it out.
Ayun.
Come on, Leon, get
Leon
up.
na.
Ayun na.
Sorry.
My favorite pizza is
Alis ka na. Sorry.
my favorite pizza from Hot on Basil. That's it.
Where's my Parisian?
What do you want to eat?
Oh, I get them. What I forgot.
A few moments later.
It's 5:14 in the afternoon. I'm with my cousin Anton. We took Paris here. Oh, diba? You know the kasiyahan of our baby girl? It's the park. So is Joy and Joan coming too or what?
They should be. I think they just come.
Oh, they're there. The whole family is here. Oh, tingnan niyo, oh, straight away, oh, Paris, oh. Oh, she loves the park. Busy kaayo sila. Teng, teneneng. Ang
These are babies.
ano, oh, bapa kayong bantay sa bata, ah. Whee!
Anthony can sit in that.
Yeah.
You like them, mate?
Tingnan niya. Oh, that's so cool. Nakabalok na ako, Tito Anthony na. With the helicopter.
Anthony, Paris is coming.
Joy, you should push them.
This is the park here, guys. Oh, it's so cool because I have this thing. Yeah? So even if it's too hot, there's some shade. Ate Paris! Hoy! Hoy! Pinuktok mo ka! Yee! Push, anak!
Push, push, push. Is she pushing it?
No, she's not. Come on, anak! I think her leg is too short, Daddy. She's tall. Oh, yeah, wow! Great job! Now they think tulod. Well done, honey!
Is she moving it?
Good job!
So doesn't that remind you
Oh,
of
there's
Philippines?
water! Oh, yeah. Yeah.
In Philippines.
Bumba pa more!
Uh-oh, she's coming.
Ala, ala! Careful, oy! Usik-usik mo tubig, ha? Paris! Come on, everyone is here. Have a look.
Iris, look.
Have a look. Come. What? Paris coming. Okay, Paris can do it. Paris is a big girl.
You want to carry her this?
Huh? You hold this one quickly, JB. Ouch.
You can look.
Look at this. Hold it. Okay.
There you go. You can go on that too when you're older.
I never thought that thing would actually work. Oh, because they locked it before. The council, they stopped the water. That's what the water restrictions.
Okay, now Paris can do it, Daddy. And that's it. So, are you scared now? Woo! Oh, you can do it. Back and forth. So you should remember that when they were kids.
I had my 12th birthday here. With my best friend. Yeah.
Sarah's very happy. Tignan niyo guys, oh. Yan, nakaganda dito guys. Tignan niyo, ang dami naghawak. Ay, shush! Hawid siyang nanay, ay.
Siya, oh. Confident lang kayo. Confident lang mga bata. Ilan yung kababata nga part? Hello!
Hi, tita. Hi.
Ay, lula, oh. Na si Lynn.
Hawid na.
Si Lynn, oh. We are in the park.
Magselos gid akong mama dahil tita.
Next year. Next year na. Wana.
Puhon.
Magkuha na siya din yun. Magdagandagan na na. Yan, si Paris na. Go, Paris yan. Go, go, go. Yeah.
Let her go, tito.
No?
Let's go. Ano ni? Ano ni na pagkaron? Ano ni na pagkaron? Let her go. She's fine. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let go. Let it go.
Let it go. Yeah.
Woo! Woo! Hold on. You're very brave, Paris.
Yay.
Hold on tight. Nangano tayo.
So dito dapat jo. Watong Spanish club.
May bagong dating. May bagong dating. Hello, how are you? No, she wants you. Hello, she's eating her ribbon.
You went to the house?
Paris, let them relax first, nak.
A few moments later.
Welcome to my...
As if merong party dito.
Hey vlog, welcome to
You know, we're just picking up stuff from the storage, guys. Sobrang daming tao. We have a lot of muscles here. I need the lift.
Really? I don't know.
You're carrying Paris. See, that's muscles.
She has chocolate.
You want some wine?
Oh, yeah. Nandito yung ating mga kagamitan nila, guys.
Please don't return after this. Please start return. Alright. We just need one eye.
Isn't it? Oh, yeah.
I think this one's fine.
What was the number again?
I don't know.
2:30. Yeah, we'll be here. Light, please. No, there's no light. Oh. Yeah, she just had me up.
Are you sleeping beauty?
Here, Daddy. Yeah, no, 2:30. Oh, wow. See? That's how food is.
You sure you have the other one?
Now we only need 3.
We're not bringing like all the stuff out. I'm just gonna bring like some of the ones that she wants to take. But we need to bring, to get to them, we need to bring them down. It's actually big. Well, that's actually big.
No, it's just this, yeah.
This one we do one. This one. So what I'm scared of is because last time when I was doing it by myself, that mirror that's like up the top. Yeah. See, there's a mirror right up the top. That white one.
Can you see?
Oh yeah. That's the back of the mirror. Yeah, like it almost fell down. So it's tilted. It's almost. Good there? Good.
We got one box already.
No.
That's the perks of having men. Whoopsie. Goodbye, iPad.
This one to come out?
Yeah.
Can you take that?
Oh, the number 3, Prince. And then there's another one. I have to.
All the boxes? For like 12? Take them off? Yeah. I would take all the boxes. Yeah. We're just gonna take them out because Jugger needs to find a specific box.
Yeah, just see it. I've got 3 boxes that we need. Oh my god. It's so good having, you know, family around. Not just because of this, right? But yeah, it's just more fun.
Gorilla's in there, gorilla's in there. Paris, the gorilla's carrying you.
Ah, so no person, Daddy. Ah, okay. Going down now. Daddy the removalist.
Trading?
So many to cuddles.
Yes,
and
we have. Bye. See ya. Love you.
How about Tito AJ?
Tita EJ. See you, Tita. Say bye-bye to them now. You're coming with us. Bye.
Do you want to go with Tito and Tita? It's okay. It's not time. It's mom and dad's time. That's why. Like at that time, you can play with her. Like.
Good night,
Say
Dad.
bye bye everyone. Thank you for today. We're just do like a bye. Do you want to use? When you drive safe, huh? Make sure you choose the right way. Anthony.
Don't worry, you can count me from now on.
I'll be
Not
with
gonna-
you.
Yeah.
AJ, do you remember how to get back to where you were?
Yeah.
Yeah, just go through the side. Walk straight through.
Yeah, you can go together. This way. Oh, that's mine. Okay, it's okay. I'll throw it. It's okay. Give me the. Oh, this right here. Thank you. We drive safe, huh, Joy, Anthony?
Thank you. Thank you guys for today.
Oi, thank you for today. Thank you very much.
Bye. See ya. Good night.
Anthony, Paris said love you. Alright, drive safe. Time check, people. It's nearly midnight. Honey. It's nearly midnight. Kakaalis ng mga pinsan ko, guys. Hinatid nila kami dito. Sa after kanina sa sa storage, so pumunta kami kina Nanay Lily. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog dun, guys, kasi it's very there's lots of things happening and hindi ko na nalabas yung camera ko doon. So nag-dinner kami kina Nanay Lily and then pinick up kami ng mga cousins ko, guys. After we went for a milk tea. Yes, at 10 o'clock magpunta kami nag-milk tea. Ito si Ate Paris nakatulog na sa sa sasakyan. And then dinala nila kami dito sa bahay and then usap-usap pa, guys. Sabi nila na ulit, we'll get you rest now. So ngayon lang sila umuwi. Sa dalawang sasakyan sila. So it's been a really long day, especially for the kids. Babysitting is not sleeping, obviously. And yeah, how's your day, Daddy?
Yeah, it was absolutely fantastic, guys. How are you all going tonight? Huh?
Good.
That's good. How was your mango milk tea?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah. You
Oh,
really?
first time kong nakapag-try ng mango milk tea kasi the whole time in order ko is yung taro milk tea. Like, yeah.
Mama's a creature of habit. So now that you've tried the mango, are you willing to convert, or are you staying faithful to the taro?
No, I can order like maybe
Mommy.
mango this time. The next time it'll be taro milk tea.
Do you want to read a story book?
What story would you like to read, honey?
This-
I know. Can you read me a story?
Which one?
Okay. You know the story. Can you tell me a story, please? I would love to hear. Like last time, you told me a story.
It's not the same, silly.
Okay.
What?
Did you just call me silly?
Yes.
The other books are somewhere.
Oh, okay. You read another book from Mama.
Daddy, I can't see any more books.
Here, just open it. See? Yeah. Okay. Can you tell me a story, please?
Where's the other ones?
Which one?
I don't know where's the all of it.
Oh.
I don't know
Okay,
where's
it's still in the box. It's still in the box. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Sabi ko nga ba kasi Ate
Do you want
Paris
chocolate?
natin ay ma-get used to being
Mommy, do you want chocolate?
No, I'm fine, my love.
I
Yeah,
like
around, her titas and titos. Anak na.
I really got chocolate.
Ala, siya din ako. Ito palang kinuha ko sa box din, guys, itong kanyang bag kasi gusto din niya. Actually, yung box na nilabas namin, so 3 boxes, wala doon yung hinahanap ko. Iba pala siguro yung na pangalan ko doon sa box. So, we'll just, it's okay guys, kasi sa katapusan, we can move to our place na naman. So, yeah, it's only a week away now. We should be alright.
I got chocolate.
Siya, tita, you got chocolate. Who gave you that?
Nelly.
Nanay Lily.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, that's about it for today's video and the vlog here now. Thank you very much for watching.
Daddy?
Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Ate Paris, thumbs up if you like it, no? And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, don't forget to be good, and if you can't, don't forget to be good, and if you can't.
Bye.
Be careful.
Bye.
Be careful.
Bye. Be careful. Bye.